How to upload longer videos on Instagram Reels. Hello everyone, let's get right into the tutorial. Open the App Store on your device first and in the search bar, search for Instagram. Make sure the app is updated to its latest version since this feature does not work in older versions. Mine is showing update here, so I will go ahead and update the app. Now open the Instagram application on your device once the update is completed and go straight to your profile. Tap on the plus icon there on the right side of your screen. You will see the option for Reel. Tap on that. Now select the video of your choice by tapping on the picture icon. Instagram now allows users to post videos of 90 seconds long, so choose any video of a minute or longer time interval and then select the part of the video that you want to post and then tap on next and then tap on next again, and with this you will be able to post videos of 90 seconds longer. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.